Hello everyone, this is Mel from Helping Bujo. Today I show you how to create this. So let's see what this is. It's very big, so I cannot fit it in the screen perfectly, but I think you will get the idea. So this is a cover with some elastic strings for music workbooks. So a friend of mine requested to create this cover for her, so that when she plays on her keyboard or something and she wants to change the pieces she's playing, she don't have to change the workbook every time. So she can put up to 4 workbooks here into this elastic strings. So this is the idea. I don't have music workbooks here, so that I cannot show you how it works, but I think you get the idea. This is glued in, this is glued in too. Not perfectly, but I think it will work. And then she can put the music workbooks into here. It's very big, so it was a bit difficult for me to create this, but in the end it worked out fine, I think. And if she liked to, she can put some plastic around, some of this foil you put onto books, this book foil to say so. But I did not do it because the cover is so big and I don't know if I will put it on this so flat as she likes it. And I cannot use my liquid varnish because this is printed and then it will smudge. So this is the second try. Okay, let's start with a video and I will show you the whole creating process. Stay tuned.